Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to A Geek's Garage. So you probably noticed that we started off taking a look at a blue Pontiac Vibe. That's because while my original plan had been to be working on this and this, instead today we're going to be working on this. So this is my daughter's 2009 Pontiac Vibe. She took it out today, went to the gas station, and said she filled it up with gas. I went to start it, and nothing. It didn't click, it didn't turn over, it didn't do anything. All the lights came on, but it just didn't do anything. So I went out, tried jump starting it. It's definitely not the battery, tried all sorts of different things, checking fuses. 99% sure that the starter motor on this thing has gone again. I actually replaced it about 2.5 years ago. However, luckily I've got a warranty on it, or she has a warranty on it. So other than my labor, this is going to be a free repair. So very different video today again. Working on a Pontiac Vibe. It's definitely not as cool as my Dodge Stealth, but we'll put this out here just to make it available if somebody else ever runs into this problem and needs to replace the starter motor. It's actually not a horrible job. It's not too bad to do. There's not too much you got to take apart to do it. So I'll walk you through what I'm doing here, and we'll get this thing hopefully going again. Let's get started. Unfortunately, the camera is not very good at capturing everything that's going on, but just so with the starter motor out, here's what we're looking at. There's a bolt here. It's a 14 mil, and a bolt that goes here. That's and a bolt here that's a 14 mil. So with those two bolts out, you just kind of wiggle the starter motor out. It's not all that bad to do. Make sure when you're doing the work that you are careful of this little part here and don't bash into it, because that'll be another piece to repair. You can work around it. You don't have to pull it out. I thought I might have to, but I was able to work around it safely. So with it out, we'll go ahead and just put the new one back in, and hopefully we get this thing running. Now's as good a time as any just to remind everyone, I'm not a mechanic and I have no idea what I'm doing. If your car decides to explode, catch fire, or disappear into a pile of dust because of something that I did or showed you that I was doing, that's on you, not on me. Anyways, back to getting this thing back together. As you're putting it back together, make sure you take a minute to grab some emery cloth and clean up the contacts on the wires, just to make sure that you've got clean connection. So that's going to do it. Starter motor's been replaced. Starts right up, starts beautifully. I did take it out for a spin. Everything seems to be working good, but all of the check engine lights were on. I didn't think to video it, but I got out the ODB2 scanner. It had a whole bunch of errors about the mass O2 and temperature sensor, intake, air intake temperature, all those things. Basically, everything that I unplugged from the top piece of the air filter was showing. So, and in this car, it's funny, that makes every light in the entire vehicle show up. All-wheel drive light, ABS, vehicle stability control, engine, check engine light, the whole shebang, everything shows up. It's stupid. Anyways, I reset all the codes, turned the car off, turned the car back on, everything is cleared, and the car is happy and healthy again until something else breaks. So with that, that's repairing the starter motor on a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. Good luck on yours. It's a fairly straightforward job. It probably took me 2.5 hours, including running out to the store to get the part. So with that, we will see you next time, where hopefully I'm back working on the Stealth again. But until then, see ya.